What if I told you, you could burn stubborn fat without stepping foot in the gym, without crash diets, and without starving yourself? Yeah, I didn't believe it either, until I found this. Stick with me for the next 2 minutes, because this might just change your life. A few months ago, I was stuck. Tired. Gaining weight no matter what I tried. And workouts? Forget it, I didn't have the energy. But then I heard about Live Pure, a fat-burning supplement that targets a little-known part of your body that controls whether you store fat, or burn it. Live Pure is different. It's not some sketchy fat burner. It's based on a scientific discovery that links slow weight loss to something most people ignore: your liver. That's right, your liver isn't just for detox. It controls how your body metabolizes fat. That if your liver isn't working optimally, fat stacks up no matter what you do. Live Pure supports your liver with clinically backed Mediterranean ingredients, like silymarin, betaine, and resveratrol, to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Even while you sleep, people are seeing crazy results, like losing 20, 40, even 60 pounds without workouts. I've personally dropped inches off my waist, my energy's up, my cravings gone. Now, obviously, it's not magic, you still gotta make smart choices, but if you're looking for a real boost that works with your body, not against it, Live Pure is the game changer. So if you're tired of being tired, if you're stuck in that weight loss loop, I highly recommend giving Live Pure a shot. You don't need to punish your body to get results. Support it. Help it do what it's built to do: burn fat, feel amazing, and finally take back control. The link's in the description. Check it out. You deserve this.